This video shows how to buy shares of Qiwi Plc-ADR, and specifically how to search for how to buy shares of Qiwi Plc-ADR. Qiwi is a payments company offering digital wallets and payment terminals. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker Qiwi-ADR. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy Qiwi, you need a brokerage account. I use eToro as an illustrative example. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker QEWI to find the listing. Check the results carefully to locate the correct Qiwi Plc-ADR entry on NASDAQ. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the listing details and the NASDAQ ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. Tap Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, you can schedule the trade or it will execute when the market reopens. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order is confirmed. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the order executes. For a quick link to the platform I used, find it in the description below.